Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Now, I know we've been gone for a minute, but we are back. We've been out, catering and, doing other things, competitions and things of that nature. So, we're back. And today, we're going to get into a recipe of some smoked wings. We're going to do them two different ways for you. We're going to hit you with that garlic jalapeno, which is a delicious rub by Heath Riles. And we're going to hit you with that Tops barbecue rub straight from Memphis, Tennessee, that our cousin Skeet hooked us up with when we were down there for the Jackson State TSU game.
Yeah.
So we're going to get into them. So stay tuned. See you in a second.
Good inside, yeah.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back. All right. So we're here on this beautiful Sunday down here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a lovely 80 degrees out here with a slight breeze, so that's perfect queuing weather.
Yeah, definitely for October, because normally after our state fair comes, it's normally cold.
Yes, it is. Normally, but we've been blessed today to have some great weather. And what's this glitter on your face, man? You got glitter on your water? You had did you have a late night last night?
Glitter on my face.
Did you go to Larry Flint's? Where'd you go? Because I heard that's the new one down here.
Larry Flint's. Nah, I ain't go to Larry Flint's.
Glitter, did you think he was at play?
He might have been
Man, go ahead on with all that. Then you finna have them ABC folks.
Man, cut it out, man.
I ain't go down no plate.
Oh, man, cut it. Right. So, as you know, we're going to get into some smoked wings today. We're going to knock them out in two different ways. All right. So, I forgot to take my paper towel out of here while I dried them off. All right. So, as you can see, I got my wings in my little pan.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get you, Skip. My bad. That's what I get for messing with you. I should have been focused on what I was doing. All right, so what I'm gonna get you to do is give me a little bit of this olive oil here. There you go. So I got my olive oil, and I'm just gonna mix them up, get a little bit of that oil on all of these. Now this is personal preference. You know what I mean? You can use spray oil. You don't have to use anything. You can just simply put your rub on and let them sit. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I got my chicken rack here, as y'all know. I keep my chicken rack. And I'm just gonna lay them out like so. Some of them left hand, some of them right hand. Ain't that what you say?
Left wing, right wing. These cosplay, man, I need all right wings in my package.
All right. So we got, let's say, roughly about, I don't know, 17, 18 wings here.
No, man.
Whole wings.
That's 4.
15. We got 15.
That's 8, 12.
15, all right? So we're going to go ahead and season them up, all right? We're going to hit this side with one of my favorites, garlic jalapeno by Heath Riles. All right? So we just going to get it on there real good.
Yeah, shake it liberally.
Oh, you finally done figured out what that meant, huh?
And this is just a quick recipe. It's good for football season.
That's right. It's football
It's
season.
football season. You want to get these wings on quick, especially if you're having like a few people come around. Get them on quick. Cook them up, and then you're ready to go and enjoy your tailgate, or you're just sitting in the house watching the game, watching your favorite team. My favorite team is the Steelers, as you can see. The Steelers.
Who?
The Steelers.
They still got a team.
Yeah, we still got a team, and we looking for another knockout punch today. The knockout number 1, QB1, who shouldn't be playing, but
Who y'all play?
The Fins, the Dolphins, the Minnows.
Oh, so y'all, well, it ain't hard to knock him out. He been getting knocked out since he was at Bama.
Call him Glass Joe.
Glass Joe. But when he on now, and he got some weapons down there, so
Definitely.
you know they gonna be hyped up. They in Miami.
Yeah, they in Miami this weekend.
Oh, they might thump y'all.
Nah, we ain't going out like that.
The old Chief might go off for about 200-300 today.
We'll see.
Cause we gonna call y'all offense and defense Glass Joe. Horrible.
Who y'all got today?
We got San Francisco 49ers. That's a tough one.
That's prime time, right?
Nah,
we got prime time tonight.
Who? How?
I guess they want to see another knockout.
They should have.
Nah, I have to stop laughing, man. That, man, prayers out to that man. Hopefully he's good and healthy and will be okay during the game.
All right, so we got these nice and seasoned up, as you can see, on both sides. I shook liberally.
Yeah, garlic jalapeno, that's my favorite, one of my favorite rolls. I love it.
All right.
Get that on the flip off. Yeah.
All right, so I got that side. Now we're going to use some of this Tops Memphis rub. Thank you, Skeet. Appreciate it. Oh, you got to open it up, man. I know it's football season and all, man, and we in tailgate mode, but we at the crib today, man. You can't be drinking on the front line.
I ain't cooking.
Come on, man. Open it up.
I ain't cooking and I ain't serving.
All right, so I'm going to get this shook on. I'm going to shake it on, let you see what it do. You know what it's looking like.
It got a nice little color.
Got a great color to it. So I'm going to finish getting these together, and then we'll bring you back, all right? BbQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, Chiefs Kingdom. All right, we're down here at the smoker. We're about to get these wings on. This is my Oklahoma Joe Bronco. I'm running this thing at about 275. It's going, 300. So I'm just going to get these garlic jalapenos on here. Then we're going to get the ones from Tops on. Ooh, I wish you could smell it because it's smelling real good right now.
Do the wings smell like at Susie Wong's at Skip?
Yeah, what the wings smell like at Susie Wong?
I don't know. I ain't been to no Chinese restaurant lately.
I don't know, but I know they got some good food over there though.
All I know is it's next to Play.
Man, you can go on with that. That ain't even funny.
All right, so we got these on. We'll catch you back in a few. BbQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brother. All right, y'all. We're back, and today on the show we're gonna get into a special. It's not a bourbon. It's not a bourbon.
Get it out.
It's a whiskey. All right. So we got this Jack Daniel's, select single barrel.
Okay.
From my good friends at Nashville Bourbon Social Club, Jason Jordaway, and a couple of the guys over there. I'm a part of Nashville Bourbon Social Club. They do great work with different charities around Nashville, and when they do these, and you purchase a bottle,
Okay.
they give quite a bit to charity.
All right.
All right.
Well, tell them guys to put me in. They can donate to my charity, which is the Drink a Lot charity, and to have them send me a bottle.
Well, I don't think they gonna donate to the Drink a Lot charity. But you can get in. Now I know they say it's against the law, but you gonna get hazed a little bit.
Oh man, I can drink for 8
Nah,
9
this ain't
weeks
gonna be
straight.
no drinking. You gotta do the moonwalk and the rope from one end of Jefferson all the way to 28.
Oh, no, man, you can forget that.
Alright. So we got this Jack Daniels whiskey today. Like I said, it's a special select barrel. You can't go in your stores and buy this, alright?
Okay.
So typically the Jack Daniels Select, you're gonna get like subtle notes of caramel and spices.
Okay.
You know, you're gonna get some fruit flavor.
What type of fruit flavor, man?
Well, it just depends on the barrel. You know what I mean? It just depends.
Okay.
It could be, I don't know, cherries. It could be apple. Who knows?
All right.
And you're going to get some sweet aromatics, all right?
Okay.
So we're going to get into this thing.
All right. So, well, with this being a special bottle,
Yeah.
show the people
It's a special bottle.
what type of select it is.
All right, so Jack Daniels Single Barrel Select and the special bottle, Banana Split.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Straight from Nashville Bourbon Social Club. All right.
All right. Okay. This is especially for them. I want to see what this banana split single barrel Jack is talking about today.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to pop this thing on open. Let me take off my chain. Take
You
the
can
chain
leave the
off.
chain on.
Leave the chain on? Okay.
D-Boy ain't here.
Yeah, he
I'm gonna
is.
leave my chain on.
Debo standing right beside me when it comes to these drinks. All right, so I'm going to let it breathe for a second.
Man, you let it breathe once you pour it.
Man, you can't tell me what to do with my bottle. This is a special bottle, him. And you can see I don't let him pour nothing no more. I'm gonna pour. Cause he have his glass full. He gonna fill it up to the tippy top.
That's the way it's supposed to be, man.
All right, so we're
Give it
gonna
a quick little swirl.
smells good.
Yeah, it definitely smells nice.
Smells real good. Now I haven't had a bad bottle from these guys yet. You know, from Nashville Bourbon Social Club, they do a really good job. You know, picking their barrels and things of that nature, man.
Okay.
All right. So, here's to you.
Yeah, we'll try this banana split.
Cheers. What you getting?
I'm definitely getting some of that banana at the back end.
Mm-hmm. It's smooth too.
It's nice and smooth. It don't have a harsh bite. It's light.
What else you got?
It's got everything that you would normally taste in the banana. I'm getting like a hint of chocolate too.
Chocolate.
You know, like
yeah.
like chocolate.
Get the
little-
caramel,
little
like
caramel,
they
yeah.
say, just the regular select.
Mhm.
So you getting all the sweet flavors, like I said, the sweet aromatics and the fruit. You know, the fruit notes. You can get all of that.
Yeah, but he probably like nuts on his banana split.
Who?
The one that been talking about play all day.
And
He like nuts on his
and
banana.
whipped cream.
Oh, that's horrible, man.
Oh, man,
Stay
this
off Church Street.
Well,
All right, y'all, hey,
what I'm thinking
this show today.
is whiskey and banana split is gonna be something for a headache.
No, it's not really bad. No,
Nah.
it's not that. It's not overly sweet.
Nah, it's
or
not
anything.
that.
It's not. You just get those hints
Yeah,
of everything. So it's good.
yeah.
It's
It's
good.
delicious.
It's nice sipping.
Yeah. So, Jason, you and your people did great with this bottle, enjoying it, and as soon as I get another one, we gonna do it again. Maybe we could get you on the show one day. I'm gonna reach out to you. All right. So, single barrel select, banana split from the Nashville Bourbon Social Club.
Pull up on it.
All right.
Turn it the other way so you can get a good. So you
You
can get
see
a
that?
good view.
And it's delicious,
Man,
y'all.
the sous chef tried to tell me what to do. Now we ain't gonna have none of that.
Man, get the camera on up here. Man.
All right. So we'll catch back up with y'all in a little bit. Jack Daniels, like I said, banana split, the Jack Daniels Single Barrel Select. Straight from Nashville Bourbon Social Club. You can't buy this in the store. Banana split. All right. delicious. Catch you in a few. All right, so we're back. All right, so what I did was, we took our chicken wings, cleaned them up, dried them off, hit them with some olive oil. We did 8 of them with the tops from barbecue, from Memphis, Tops Barbecue in Memphis. And then we did about 7 of them with our favorite garlic jalapeno. These are how you do quick wings, all right? If you want to do them real quick, you didn't have time to do our tailgate wings, what we normally do, you could go down in the videos and watch those. This is how we'll do it, all right? So, right now, I'm going to get one of these tops and one of these garlic jalapenos, Skip, and you do the same thing, all right? So, or garlic jalapeno.
Appreciate it.
There you go, tops. All right. So I got this tops one on the top end. Now let's bust into them. I brought them up to 165 degrees. You know what I mean? And we about to bust into them to get them off, let them rest a little bit. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Look at that.
They hot.
Even after the rest, they still steaming. This is my tops right here.
Let's see if he reverse blow. Because he wouldn't let it cool off.
What you got going on over there, man? That top is good.
Mm-hmm.
I almost dropped it too. I had to go in for a second bite to the top. Delicious. Got some sweet. Got some little savory notes.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little piece of heat on it. And we didn't even hit it with the top barbecue sauce.
No, I forgot to bring it out. Hold on, let me clear my palate.
What a bill. Next, garlic jalapeno. I know what this do.
Yeah.
If you haven't got out there and got you some of this garlic jalapeno by Heath Riles, you need to. All right.
And as per usual, the garlic jalapeno is on point. Along with the tops, I like them both.
2 great products, y'all. Thank you for bringing these napkins too, bro. I appreciate that. So, you at a tailgate or you're doing something for your friends at home, and you just decided you're gonna do some chicken wings at the last minute for your little tailgate thing, whether you're watching at the game personally or if you're at home watching it. And 2 great products.
Right, and if you don't feel like hooking up your own seasoning, go ahead and get the pre-packaged seasoning from who's that? Heath Riles.
Heath Riles.
Garlic jalapeno, and tops. I'm pretty sure they got a website.
Yep.
We'll put it all on the description in the on the video, the way you can purchase those at.
That's right. So that Tops Memphis rub, okay? Thank you again, Skeet. You and your wife, we really appreciate the hospitality y'all showed us while we were down there. Along with our other family that's down there. Love all of y'all. All right, so get out there, get you some chicken wings, knock these out, okay? It take about, 30, 45 minutes, for the whole wing to cook. But we'll catch you back on another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Shots out to Nashville Bourbon Social Club again for the bottle. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate that. Chicken wings, you know what to do with them. We'll catch y'all back on another episode. Peace.